So if you guys saw the video where I took you guys with me to Walmart, then you must have seen the clip where I found this beauty and I just had to get it and review it for you guys. So this is by Covergirl and it's called Peach Punch Highlighter Palette and it's peach scented. It's in the number 100 and I think this is an exclusive to Walmart. Let me know if I'm wrong, but this retails for like $10. Didn't only have a palette like this, they do, I believe, have each one of these individually as well for like $7 for what I can see in the website. Walmart, the little racks was like empty, a lot of them, so I couldn't really see. It comes in the color 100. I'm thinking there's more, but this was like the only one there. Once I saw the palette, I knew I would prefer to get this instead of the individual just because I thought all these shades looked beautiful. I would think this is the lightest shade that it comes in. It's made in Canada. It's a highlighter palette, but as you see, we're not just getting highlight, we're getting a bronzer and also a blush, which is looking beautiful. So right off the bat, by smelling it, I do not like the scent. Packaging is just beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. That's what caught my attention, definitely. Whoever worked on the packaging did a good job. I have already a full face on, but no contour, no highlight, no blush. So I'm gonna do some swatches first. So let's start with the bronzer. Ooh, that's not swatching the best either, but interesting color there. Moving on to the blush. That blush looks gorgeous. I die for peach coral blushes. That's why I had to get this. So that is looking very nice. And of course, my favorite part, the highlight. Let's see. Okay, swatch. It's definitely extremely chalky once I'm swatching, but just look at those. Definitely has some color to it, so just keep that in mind. Just a reminder, I will leave a playlist of all the face palettes that I have reviewed, drugstore and high-end, just in case you love these as much as I do. Start with the contour and let's see what this shade looks like. If it's too warm, if it's chalky, how does it blend? Ooh, a lot of kickback. Alright, let's see. I'm looking at my puppy. He's not well, so I'm just making sure he's okay. Not dying for this color, but it's okay. I mean, it is giving me some color back. And then the scent, I mean, I'm sure there's some people that will love this scent, but ever tried like the Too Faced peach makeup collection? It does not smell like that whatsoever. Hoping the blush is a different story. Looks gorgeous. Ooh, hello, beauty. Nicely pigmented. Everything looks nice. It does blend really nice, not patchy. So it is looking pretty intense, as you can see, but I keep applying more just so you can see it well. But you know, you can always just take a powder and just soften that look up. That is intense. Okay, this has some powder. I'm just gonna go over it. Make it a little less intense, but that's beautiful, right? You want your blush to show up. You die for highlight, for blush, or for bronzer. Go with this brush here and just slightly tap it. As we saw here, it does have like peachy, corally pink tone to it. So let's see. Oh, look at that. It's definitely beautiful. No glitter, no shimmer, so that's a big plus on my book. Actually very wearable. I would say I would wear it as, ooh, why is this side looking different? I guess it depends how you turn into the light, but you could definitely see the pink. Oh, but it's just too beautiful. How about we also put it in the inner corner? I just want to see. Wow, that's on the Cupid's bow. Because I'm oily, I'm not going this way, you know. Anyone that's interested in this brush that I use for my inner corner highlight, I was asked. It is the MAC 228. You see that? Like, it looks beautiful. Love these two. The only one would be this. So I don't know if maybe you would prefer to buy them like separately instead this little palette, but I mean $10. The others by itself are $7 each. This video, thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click that little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.